In this video, I would like to show how to tie some pineapple knots using the algorithm generator 2.0. And I've got it on the desktop as AG20, so we'll double click there. It'll bring up our first menu. So let's just select 2 for a 2-pass knot. Okay, we're wanting a pineapple knot, so we're just going to do the standard pineapple. So we'll select 2. Now we have got a menu. This is the position of the bite boundaries for the second knot. Well, the standard pineapple, for a type 1 pineapple, you tie your interweave on bite boundaries 2, 2. So we'll select 2 for that one. And now it is asking how many parts and bites do you wish to have on your primary knot. Now your primary knot in a type 1 pineapple is going to be 2 parts larger than the interweave. So let's select a 7-part 6-bite casa knot, and then I select yes so we can see it on a file, so that our interweave is going to be a 5-4 or 5-6. So our total parts are 12 total parts, 12 total bites, 2 pass, type S for standard, 1. It's a standard, meaning it's pineapple knots tied together, or casa knots tied together. So it's a standard pineapple knot, and we follow the right of the primary knot. And X equals 10 because it's nested, so there's 2 less parts between the inside bite boundaries than the total number of parts in the knot. Now to tie this knot, we need to know how to tie a 7-part 6-bite casa knot. So if we had done that first, you'd have to tie it, and then this is our second knot, and it is a 5-part 6-bite casa knot tied from bite boundary 2 to bite boundary 2. So it's in the center of this 7-6. Now if we haven't got this 7-6 primary knot tied yet, we can go back to our generator page, hit R, select 1 for our casa knot, and we can do a 7-part 6-bite, say yes, print it, and here it is. There's our 7-6, and here is our interweave. So we'd first tie the 7-part 6-bite casa knot, which is our primary knot. Then this is the run list for our second knot. If we go back to our algorithm generator, hit R, go to our menu. This time let's hit a standard 3-pass knot. So we're going to select 3. And we want just a regular pineapple, so it's a standard pineapple knot. So we're going to select 2. Oh no, we've already tied that one. So let's go back. Let's go clear out. I reloaded. Okay, so we needed a 3-pass. So we hit 3. We wanted a standard. We hit 2. Oh no, we were right. Okay. Now we wanted the position of our second knot, and we've already printed it. So it's number 2. So we hit 2. Now, this is the position for the bite boundaries of our third knot. So, what we want is normally what you tie is from bite boundary 3 to bite boundary 2. So that's what we're going to pick for this knot. So it's a 1. And we are tying, our primary knot was a 7-6. So we go 7-6 and we say yes. Okay, so we've got to tie this knot, here's our third interweave. So we've got a 17 total part, 18 total bite, 3 pass, type S1, standard pineapple knot, and we follow the right side of the second interweave, the second knot, and X equals 13. Okay, our primary knot was the 7-6. Here's the run list for tying it. Our second knot was the 5-6. Here's the run list for tying it. Our third knot is a 5-6, and it is tied from bite boundary 3 to bite boundary 3, and this is our run list for tying that knot. I hope you will try to tie this knot, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.